everyone, had a mishap on the job site. I scuffed up my Spectrum post while installing. Fortunately, Atlantis Rail offers some touch-up paint. It's color matched to match the color and the finish of the posts that we sell. Pretty simple process. You can see I have scuffed up and slightly chipped the powder-coated surface. We just want to hit it with some sandpaper lightly to scuff up the surface so the paint will adhere. So that's all you really need to do. You don't want to go too crazy on it. I'm going to wear a mask because I don't like breathing in paint. And you want to mask off any area so you don't get overspray. So lightly dust it until you've achieved the coating that you want. You probably want to let this dry and come back a second time. You want to let it dry a half hour. But after that, you won't even notice that you had a mishap. Thanks, everyone.